Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome to another session of learning through quizzes. And today's quiz is about conditionals. So let's dive in. This test what you learn on our conditionals lesson. Number 1, what would you do if it blank on your wedding day? A rained, B will rain, C would rain. Answer is letter A, rained. Number 2, if she comes, I blank call you. A will, B would, C would have. Answer is letter A, will. Number 3, if I eat peanut butter, I blank sick. A would have gotten, B would get, C get. Answer is letter C, I get sick. Number 4, what will you do if you blank the history exam? A would fail, B will fail, C fail. Answer is letter C, failed. Number 5, if they had not blanked the car, I would have driven you. A take, B taken, C would take. Answer is letter B, taken. Number 6, if it snows, blank, still drive to the coast? A, will you? B, would you? C, would you have? Answer is letter A, will you? Number 7, he would have gone with you if you had asked him. Which conditional is this? A, first, B, second, C, third. Answer is letter C, third conditional. Number 8, if I won $1 million, I would buy my own airplane. Which conditional is this? A, zero, B, first, C, second. Answer is letter C, second conditional. Number 9, if I forget her birthday and Julia gets upset, which conditional is this? A, zero, B, first, C, second. Answer is letter A, zero conditional. And number 10, last item. What will she do if she misses the bus? Which conditional is this? A, first, B, second, C, third. Answer is letter A, first conditional. All right, that's all for the quiz. Share your score in the comments below and let us know how you did. Thank you for practicing through quizzes with English Tutor Hub official channel.